Hello everyone, I am Rihanna Mishra from Lockdown Leisure. The answer to yesterday's riddle is a dictionary. Now I will narrate the second episode of the mysterious happenings. Let's begin. James, Ivy, and Olivia were astounded after reading the will. Ivy leaned on a wall and by mistake she pressed a red button. Suddenly, all three of them heard a creak coming from their father's bedroom. They rushed to that place. They saw that their father's closet had moved from its place and a door opened at the place where the closet was standing before. It was a secret passage. James, Ivy, and Olivia couldn't believe their eyes. Olivia said that she thought this was a secret passage leading to their father's workplace. James and Ivy agreed. James reminded them that this was not going to be easy. They stepped inside the passage and started climbing downstairs. Soon they reached the basement. Ivy ran forward, assuming that she was racing with them, and after a few seconds, they heard an alarm ringing loudly. Somehow they had to stop this alarm, or else they would be deaf in some time. James told them to look for any switches on the surface of the walls. Olivia found one and pressed it. Finally, the alarm had stopped. There was pin-drop silence. All of a sudden, red lights started beaming from one end of the wall to another. Ivy had read many books related to mysteries and adventures, and she knew what they were facing. She informed them not to move because they were in middle of lasers. It was an obstacle, trying to block their path from reaching their father's workplace. Now they knew what he meant by saying that this would not be easy. Olivia was a gymnast, so she easily crossed the laser beams doing her stunts. Ivy and James tried to avoid each laser beam and eventually were successful. They had crossed their first obstacle and had no idea how many more were waiting for them. James sighed with relief. They moved forward and were blocked by a door made up of steel. They tried to break the door but failed. They sat there for a while and started thinking how to get past that door. There were many ideas, but none of them could open the door. They couldn't find any key also. James, Ivy, and Olivia were about to lose hope when James found some words written on the door. He couldn't make out what was written, so he called Ivy and Olivia to help. At last, they made out what was written. The writings on the wall said, "Sacrifice your most precious treasure into the pouch at the bottom left corner of the door. And you must remember that the precious treasure should belong and be precious to all three of you." After reading this, they started thinking what was so precious to all three of them. After a while, James took out a piece of paper from his pocket and showed it to Ivy and Olivia. It was the last picture of the three of them with their father. It was awful to sacrifice the only treasure you had related to your family, but however, if they wanted to move forward, they would have to sacrifice the photo. And so they did. The door opened and they were able to proceed. Ivy, being the youngest, burst into tears thinking of her father. By hook or by crook, James made her stop crying and she was cheerful again. After walking for hours, they met their final obstacle. They saw a hooded figure blocking their path. The figure asked them a question. "When is your dad's birthday?" Actually, the truth was that they never knew their dad so well. After all, they had spent very less time with him, but they truly loved him. Olivia said that she remembered the month but not the date. Although Ivy had spent the least time with her father, she remembered the date. After discussing it, they made their decision. 25th July, said Olivia and Ivy together. Their answer was correct, but still the hooded figure didn't move. He asked another question. "You three gave this to your father and he also gave this to you. Something everlasting. What is it?" This was a hard one. Time passed and James came up with an answer. "Everlasting love," said James. The hooded figure gave them a golden key and moved from their path. There were tears in their eyes, but they had to learn to stand strong. They figured out that the hooded figure was a guardian who was guarding a door behind him. The door was locked. There was a keyhole on it. James inserted the key in the keyhole, not knowing what they were about to see. Hope you all liked this wonderful story. Now it's riddle time. Can you all answer this? What has 13 hearts but no other organs? If you know the answer to this riddle, share it with us on our email ID lockdownleisure2020@gmail.com. If you want to share your story in your voice, then please get in touch with us on the same email address. Don't forget to hear our next podcast, that will be the 3rd episode of the Mysterious Happenings, with the answer to today's riddle. Bye!